Okay, welcome to Toys for Boys. And my name is Luis, and I'm giving you 3 tips about SIDI Adventure 2. First tip: size up. My European number is 42 and a half, and I bought 43, and they are absolutely perfect. Second tip: before you ride with these boots, regulate your gear lever to the upper position. Otherwise you won't be able to put your feet under and gear up. And okay, third tip: it's how to regulate the snaps. Easy. You just pull them a little bit out, rotate, out and in as you wish, and then back to the position, to the primer position. Very simple, and you won't find it very clear in the instruction sheet. Okay, this is the second time I'm wearing them. Never rode with them. I'm just walking with them inside home, at home, trying to break them a little bit. And as you can see, they are starting to get a little bit softer. Nice rubber, very steady, comfortable, and okay. And for the price you pay, that's what you get. You get a nice pair of boots, strong and comfortable. Okay, bye bye.